everyone.
Crafty Caboodle. Let's get crafty today.
Caboodle fans, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some super simple, easy party poppers. These are great for New Year's that's coming up or birthday parties. Let's get started. All right, first things first, you're going to either need some tissue paper or some really thin wrapping paper. This is so that it can break easily. I'm gonna be using tissue paper, so I got all of these different colors. I'll have a link where I got them down below. I'm gonna do blue. Next, you either are gonna need some toilet paper rolls, or you can always use a roll from your gift wrap. All right, so what you're gonna do, put your rolls right on the edge right here. Go ahead and grab some tape, and we're gonna put one tape on this side. All right, there we go. So you want a little bit coming off of each side. I'm gonna go ahead and cut right around here. All right, I'm just gonna roll this to see how far I need to cut it. So about right here. So don't double roll it, just roll it once and cut it this way. All right, this is what we have so far. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna roll it once. So I think we cut it just a little bit too much, but that's okay. It'll still rip. So don't put the tape right where it connects right here. Just put it right on the sides again. And one right here. So we're gonna break it right around this part. So it has to be kind of like in the middle. All right, next you're gonna pick some ribbon to put on both ends. I really like this one because it's multicolored. So I'm just gonna cut like a good portion of it. Not too long. All right, go ahead and twist that. There's one side, make sure it's nice and tight so none of your little confetti in there is gonna fall out. And so don't do this side yet because we have to fill it up. So I'm kind of gonna open it up just like so. And now we're gonna bring in all of our little gems and confetti. So I have cut up some tissue paper in little rectangles, and then I also have some colorful beads or some star confetti. I'm gonna put all of this multicolored tissue. Go ahead and put that in there. I'm also gonna put some beads and some stars. All right, make sure to really fill these up. Okay, I don't know if you can see how much. I think it goes up to like right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish it off. All right, there we go. Make sure it's tight enough. There you have it, Caboodle fans. We made a New Year's popper. Actually, you can use this any time of the year, birthdays, whatever you want. I also made some teeny tiny ones. Now, these rolls were from a gift wrapping. That's why they're so thin. This one's a little bit thicker because it is the toilet paper roll. And I did use some gift wrap ones. So we're gonna see how well these pop compared to the tissue ones. All right, Hoodle fans, let's see which ones give us a good pop. Let's go ahead and start with this one. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, oh my goodness. That was a whole bunch of stuff in here. Wow, this looks so much fun. Okay, let's try some of these other ones out. I really wanna see how this wrapping paper breaks. Okay, here we go. Whoa. That actually broke pretty easily. We've got our confetti and our glitter. All right, here we go on this one. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Wow, I really like the gift wrapping ones a lot better for some reason. All right, let's do this tissue one, last one. Ooh, Happy New Year, everyone. Wow, this was such a great party. Caboodle fans, thank you all so much for watching. This was super easy to make and so much fun. I hope you all try it for New Year's or for a birthday party. And of course, until next time, Happy New Year.